Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best mini PC in 2023. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. Number 5. MINISFORUM. The MINISFORUM 560 mini PC is a small form factor desktop tower computer with an AMD Ryzen 5 5625U 6C/12T up to 4.3 GHz processor. The faster performance can handle heavy computing tasks smoothly and better for multitasking. Number 4. KAMRUI. What makes the small computer stand out from other mini PCs is that it has an empty expansion bay to allow adding an MSATA and 2.5 SSD or HDD, up to 2 TB. Comes with 2 HDMI ports connecting dual monitors easily, simplify, and double your work efficiency. Also, the VESA mount can free yourself from the messy desktop. It is convenient to hide the mini desktop PC on the back of the monitor or HD TV. Mini computer was pre-installed Windows 10 Pro, with the modern light feature blue light while running, red light while standby. Just plug-in device is running and ready for you to use simply by opening it up. Equipped with Intel HD graphics 500 support 4K HD. Number 3. CHUWI LarkBox X. CHUWI LarkBox X mini PC powered with AMD Ryzen 7 3700U processor, 4 cores, 8 threads, main frequency 2.3 GHz, turbo frequency 4.0 GHz, with AMD Zen Plus core architecture, and max 35W TTP for a next-generation multitasking experience that takes processing speeds and energy efficiency to new heights. It's widely used for games, image editing, creative design, office software, media centers, mini servers, programming, etc. Number 2. HX90. A light mini HX90 mini PC is equipped with AMD Ryzen 9 5900HS CPU, 8 cores, and 16 threads, and adopts the latest Zen 3 architecture. The base clock is 3.3 GHz, and the boost clock can reach up to 4.6 GHz. Radeon graphics frequency 2100 MHz, with built-in GPU provides stunning visual effects. Number 1. CHUWI LarkBox Pro. Mini PC size is only 61x61x43mm, weight's only 127 gram, it won't take up space, can be put into any bag, and will not make you feel bulky. Pre-installed Windows 10 Home Edition, which has a rich software ecology, office-efficient office, also supports Linux operating system, such as mainstream Ubuntu, etc. for server construction, software compilation, and other needs. Equipped with Intel J4125 processor, which has quad cores, 4 threads, 4M cache, 14nm lithography technology. Burst frequency 2.7 GHz, combined with 750 mAh Intel UHD graphics 600. Browse webs is none issue for itself. Everything's load up really quick at all. 4K videos playback from YouTube and Netflix are always smooth and work well.